This question, favorite question. How does recovery differ from induction anesthesia? How does, it's a favorite Viva, favorite short question also, favorite. See, how does recovery different from induction? Because in recovery, there's no overpressure. We cannot like that back already, right? There is no concentration effect on recovery. Recovery is from the brain balik. There is redistribution. That means as you're coming out, very dynamic as you're coming out. Also going back to the issue, it's very, very, the law of redistribution intercompartment plays a big role already. Now sometimes I absorb in the breathing system and retard the decrease. Now, you get rebreathing unless you increase your fresh gas flow. Otherwise, rebreathing. Metabolism also come into a certain extent. Minimum, most of the time is by redistribution, as per halotane. Prolonged, time to recover is prolonged with very soluble gas. In fact, it's very minimal, it's fully soluble. That means your desperate very nice. And then in recovery, you have diffusion hypoxia, diffusion hypoventilation. Diffusion hypoxia because the nitrous oxide just come in, dilute oxygen. Nitrous oxide just come out, dilute carbon dioxide. You also dilute whatever carbon dioxide you have there, therefore you also hypoventilate. Nearly, this is very important. Oh, this is very important. Please wake up 5 minutes. It's very important. Look, FA over FAO. It's not FAO, FI. Oh, this is so important. This can make or break you. Because your chincha right, the x-axis, y-axis. Emanation, see, nearly all factors apply. Emanation is defined as the ratio of FA to FA immediately before the beginning of elimination. That means the moment you stop, off. You know, you love that time. Nice sound. You can go home, correct? Can go home. So that is the FAO. FA to FAO. See, the rate of decrease is more rapid for less soluble, definitely, you know, that's why I use that fluorine. So you must draw again. Draw. Mid-elimination, FAO, then you draw again. You draw the fast one first. Nitrous oxide. See, fluorine, that's very fast. All the rest are slow. Just draw. Just draw one slope here, one slope there. This one is a very insoluble gas. Cepat. Approach. Cepat. Draw. Standard see. Duration, that one we know See the long duration will take a long time. Okay. Second gas effect, emergence. Remember, second gas effect affect oxygen, carbon dioxide. It's just not oxygen. In fact, oxygen is diffusion hypoxia. It also dilutes your carbon dioxide. Therefore, you get hypoventilation. MAC, 50% of patient don't move. Would you like to be under 1 MAC? Would you like to be operated under 1 MAC? 50% only, correct? So 50%, 50% quiet, correct? So 50% only, that's why we hardly do MAC. Now see, look at this. Look, additive. See, the standard deviation for MAC is probably 10%. 10% means 0.1. 0.1. MAC is 1. MAC is 1. One deviation is 1.1. Two standard deviation is 1.2. Three standard deviation is 1.3. See, so if 1 MAC, let's say 1 MAC, 68% will be no movement. 1 MAC, 50% no movement. You put 1 MAC plus 1 standard deviation, That means 68% don't move. 2 standard deviation, 95% don't move. 3 standard deviation, 99.7. So now you understand or not? So I ask you a question, do you want to be under 1 Mac? No. Okay, but in general, we still use 1 Mac. Because apart from inhalational, we use other things also. Correct? We use narcotics, use induction agent, use other adjuvant. So that's why if you're talking about pure gas, 1 Mac is actually 50-50 if you want. So if 1 gas alone, probably 1.3 Mac is safer. But in general, we don't use. We also top up with adjuvant, spinal, tap blocks, this and that, correct? Blocks here and there. So that's why at least you must know this. At least you must know this. It is just not 1 Mac. Yeah. Okay. Now, one of the major limitations of Mac is not applicable when total TIVA. It's not applicable for TIVA. And also we like I say, we just don't use 1 Mac alone. We also use balanced anesthesia, we use narcotics, opiates, blocks, everything. So therefore, Mac cannot solely use one single measure because we don't use just plain gas. So the Mac actually refers to just plain gas and it's addictive. Addictive. Now, see, I told you this. See the one you draw, it's volume percent and tidal as 760. So, for example, like isoflurane, 1 Mac isoflurane is actually 8.7 millimeters of mercury. I did not mistake, isoflurane is 1.14 or something like that. So that means that like just now we calculated. So that means we calculated just now. You understand? Not just now we calculate that's CO is 2. 2 divided by 100 times 760, about 50. So you can convert that. So this is just to highlight to you. In fact, to be probably more realistic, maybe the calibration. But then it'd be so funny numbers. 50 something, correct? So that's why you use a volume percent. Now, Mac, when they ask you why, you also must talk about factors affecting Mac. And then you read different books. I bring this up, very different books differently. Different books different, See, no change in Mac duration. They always ask MCQ. Duration, high alcohol, hypothyroid. These are controversy, hypertension. So most books put like that. So if you read different books, this one MCQ. Now, Mac increase at 6 months, decrease 6% per decade. MCQ. 6 with. That means when you have your elderly patient, you cut down on your Mac requirements. 6% per decade. 6% per decade. And you must try to know how to remember this graph. Age. So looking at this just now, when they ask you, tell me something about Mac, are you just going to give the definition? So don't. So you can talk about Mac, the definition, just talk. Don't let people ask you a question. Then talk about different types of Mac. Okay, then if you cannot remember, easy factors affecting Mac. Okay, factors affecting Mac. Then after that you pass already. Then you go for the deeper, more what you call it, more marks. Then you can talk about then conversion into millimeters of mercury, then standard deviation. See, you know what I mean? Not? So you chuck up. Because when I ask you Mac in exam, you chuck up. Continue. Otherwise, until the exam say, okay. Then you ask you something else. Understand? So you keep talking. So if you think like that, this is actually a very nice topic to understand and read also. You prepare. Boleh? Now, okay, this one, not going to waste time. I'll teach you how to answer this question later. Now we just look through this only. Then I'll see. Halotane, very bad for the contractility, heart rate ready. Only one. Cerebral blood flow, no good. Halotane want to kill people with raised ICP. It's a wonderful drug. Wonderful drug. See, our desk friend, you must know this by heart. Doesn't change the contract minimum. It relatively drop. Heart rate this one, Sevorin, no change. And the one no change is very unique. MCQ, proper 4. Proper is Sevorin, the heart rate doesn't really change. All this one go up because of reflex. Then desperately you shoot it up, suddenly increase, rapid increase, high concentration, you can get catecholamines released. E-train has got some epileptic effect, or then potentiate. So now the question will be like that. Short answer. They are not going, so we're going to the specific gases. They are not going to ask you on specific gases. They will ask you to compare contrast. Or they give one gas and they ask you to describe. Let's say describe the cardiovascular effect of Sevorin. Discuss the cardiovascular effect or compare contrast cardiovascular effect of Sevorin and let's say desflurane. How will you answer? How will you answer compare contrast cardiovascular effect of Sevorin and desflurane? How will you answer? You think when they ask you compare contrast, you draw a table, the marking scheme, cardiovascular, there may be 10 items. Can you name 10 items or not? Name, account for you.
So,
SVR, 1. So volume. Heart rate.
MAP, contractility, cardiac output.
Coronary steal.
Syndrome.
Protection.
Okay, the ischemic protection.
Arrhythmogenicity.
Anything
else? Anything else? CMR,
the oxygen consumption of the heart.
See, so that is the name of the game. The name of the game is you do for the heart, the lung, the brain. Try to, if you can, 10 like that. Because the marking scheme will be, you compare contrast. And then you could, maybe the marking scheme say, okay, must get minimum 8 out of 10. Correct? You get full marks. You understand what I'm trying to say, not? So that means the name of the, that's how the thing is marked. If I'm on, they'll put a table. So when answer this question, you put one table. Sevorin, that's where you put 10 of them. For example, pass already. You agree or not? Fully pass. So that means it is not how much you really know. It's study smart only. See, like let's say for heart, you have how many count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can get more Get more. QT, QT is another one. Baroreceptors response. So that means you go back your homework. You can put there heart rate, blood pressure, stroke volume, contractility, cardiac output. 5 already, right? Correct? And then SVR, and then coronary still got or not. And then ischemic protection, arrhythmogenic or not. Okay, what is that? This baroreceptor response. So you just write down, there actually maybe more than 10, maybe 11, 12. So you just write down and low. Okay. So the rest you get back. So the only thing special about the Sevorin is that everything is very good. Very good SVR. Heart rate doesn't change much. Cardiac output is maintained. So you compare contrast. Then you say, if you increase high suddenly or high concentration, doesn't get catecholamine release. Then you can go to the difference, the desflurane, desflurane. wow, a little bit high speed, you get catecholamine release. And then most of them no coronary still. Right? But it's a negative answer, so correct. Ischemic protection, wow, good, very good effect. That's really supposed to be the better one. That's better one. And then, see, you go like that. Tipu here, tipu here, tipu here, tipu here. Correct not? Correct not? You don't have to really know everything. Now, let's say respiratory. How much can you name? Oh, your turn. You done already. Okay. Respiratory. How much can you name? Respiratory. So teach you how to pass exam, no? Compare contrast. Let's see and desperate. Respiratory, how much can you? Bagi tengok. How much can you?
Respiratory rate.
Yeah.
Or a minute ventilation.
Ventilation, minute 3, 3 already. Respiratory. Respiratory, tak ada volume, minute 1 3 already. We have already tipu 3 already. Okay.
Bronchodilation. Constriction. Hypoxic pulmonary
HPV.
effect.
We let her stress a bit. Okay.
Yeah, secretions.
Secretion.
Bronchospasm.
Bronchospasm. Good or not good for laryngomas? SGA. Anything else?
Can be used for induction or not. But then
Okay.
that's a description.
Is pungent or not pungent? You cannot use pungent. Try with desperate and see. Response to oxygen, response to carbon dioxide. Cannot. See, there are many. So, okay. So if you see, if you read in isolation, you will fail. Correct? But if you read like that, wow, this is give question. So it's a compare to, so what's so special about respiratory? Apneic response, maintain or not? And then what's so special? Then after that you must know each one a bit special. Special for this Sevorin, good for children, no laryngospasm, for children, fast in, fast out. Okay, and bronchodilatory effect. And then you can say hypoxic response is abundant at more than 1 meg. Anything more than 1 meg is no good already. Just keep talking like that. But you won't know the difference, especially the famous thing about aspirin is that you cannot use for children induction because of pungent. Then just minor changes. So how you must prepare a table like that. Let's say the next one, they always love to ask, CNS. CNS. How many can you name? CNS. Cerebral blood flow. CMRO2. EG. ICP. 4, die. See, Come on, you want to save yourself, man.
Convulsion.
Epileptogenic, okay? Be under EG, you can stretch the imagination a bit. Auto-regulation, very important. Sevorin, very good at that. Can go up, can stable up to 1.5 meg, Coupling. Whether it's coupled or not, coupling already. Suppression. Somato, all this evoke potential. All the evoke potential very useful or not.